up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Silver Belle mystery bag from IPSY. It is this gorgeous triangular makeup case and some products inside. So let's see what's in here. First thing I see is this Nature Lab Perfect Dream Ritual Hair Mask. Ooh, I love a nighttime hair mask. I do shower at night and in the morning, but especially at night. Oh, look at how. That's really nice. It's like a very calming smell. I do shower at night and love to do hair masks, so that's a win for sure. Next is the Glass Gint from Tanghulu, the cleansing foam. I actually have not tried this product. I did just gift it to my sister, so now I have another to try myself, so that's great. Next is the Element Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, I'm always looking for the best liquid eyeliner. So far, the best one I've tried is Makeup Forever in like this midnight blue. Bit of shake. Oh, interesting. See the tip? It is not your typical tip. Ooh. That's gonna be interesting to work with, and it is like very black. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna let it dry down and see the smudge test. Two more products in here. Then is the Beauty Creations Blush Hush. It's a matte blush. And this is in my favorite. Let's see about that. Ooh, I do actually like the packaging. It's plastic, but it's actually pretty heavy. I can't open it though. There we go. Oh, cute. It's like a cool toned fuchsia type blush. I do already have like a full face on, which if you want to see how I got this like chocolatey brown look, leave me like a chocolate bar or a teddy bear emoji. I'll be happy to film it. Just gonna try this out. I do also like that it has a little mirror. That's really great for travel. Ooh! Oh. Hold on. This is like Kosas Butterflies, but with no shimmer. Oh, a little heavy there. Hold on. This is gorgeous. I'm blown away. Beauty Creations, you know what's up. This is like, I'm blown away. I literally just put so much on. It's very pigmented. I was not expecting that. A little bit. Holy matte blush. That is gorgeous. Okay, wow. And the last product in here is the Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. Oh, let me... How'd they do? Nope, they smudged. All right, those dried down for quite a while and they smudged very easily. So, Morphe Trendsetter. I do have a brown lip on, so let's see. Oh, wow. Very dark, and it's almost like a neutral brown. Wow. mystery makeup bag from IPSY. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And if you want to see how I got this brown makeup look, minus the lip gloss I just put on, leave me like a teddy bear or a chocolate bar emoji. I would love to film that for you guys. And thank you so much for watching.